Hello friends, welcome to my channel Progress with Prof.Mahamani. First of all, I thank all the viewers and subscribers for your continuous support. Please subscribe my channel for updates, for my updated videos. And friends, you give your feedback in either like or dislike, and you can give your comments in the comment box also, video comment box also. If you want any question or you post it so that I will give answer. Either I will give answer or I will put a video for that. And one more request from your end is you please share this video to all your mechanical engineering friends. This video is common to all the mechanical engineering irrespective of specialization. In the current video I am going to talk about top 15 science citation index expand journals for mechanical engineering area. So SCIE journals for mechanical engineering area. So this mechanical engineering means here there is no specialization. Like even manufacturing people can apply, thermal people can apply, design specialization can apply, robotics can apply, or finite element method or computer based modeling simulation can apply. So this is a common journal. I am preparing a list. So I am going to talk about top 15 journals. The top 15 I ranked based on the impact factor. So all the journals are Web of Science index and have a valid impact factor. So I arranged based on the impact factor. So high to low I am going to talk. So here any mechanical engineering researcher can send your paper or upload your paper to this journal. Here I want to give one summary about this. In the top 15 list, unfortunately 6 journals are paid journal. So paid journal means they are having APC, article crossing charge, but still they are maintaining the quality. They have very good peer review system, and they are maintaining language quality, they are maintaining the publication ethics, so that still it is available with the SCIE journals. So friends, let us go to my PowerPoint slide presentation now. Friends, as I said earlier, this 15 SCIE journals, 6 journals are from paid category, but you publish as per rank. Unfortunately, it came inside. As per rank, I am discussing, but while submitting your paper, you take care of yourself. Luckily, this all these 6 paid journals, still it is in UGC CAD list. It is not removed, but in future it may be removed. So you need to take some calculated risk. Now let us go to the first journal. The first journal is International Journal of Mechanical Sciences. This is elsewhere. This publication is elsewhere. The impact factor, so IF means impact factor, 4.6 impact factor. This journal is scopus index. The site score 7.0. The time to first edition. Some people or some research scholars are asking, so time of publication. I mean quick publication. So this information will help you. Time to first edition is 2.7 weeks. Then this journal you have valid impact factor. As usually you have science citation index expanded. Then the themes of the journal. If you want to, if your article belongs to film and mesh-free modeling, metal forming behavior, then the plasticity, mechanics of materials, then fluid mechanics, tribology, thermodynamics, material processing. So whatever your area of research, you need not bother because they are generally, it's a general journal. You can submit your paper. But it is elsewhere, impact factor is 4.6. So the article, they will expect all the quality. So they will expect good plagiarism, under 5% of plagiarism, very good English, very good language, and your work, everything, it should be very important. One more thing here, any people, for example, manufacturing, you can submit a paper in materials or other plasticity, suppose metal forming, so that is a production engineering, manufacturing side. Even design also there, mechanics of material, it is a design category. Thermal engineering, thermodynamics is there. And material processing, so all the welding, metal forming, metal casting, so everything, it will come. So this is a common journal. Let us go to second. So the second journal is Archives of Civil and Mechanical Engineering. So impact factor of this journal is 3.6. So this journal previously it was at elsewhere. Now it is moved to Springer. This journal is scopus indexed. So site score for this particular journal is 6.5. The time to first station is 3.4 weeks. So this is as usually SCIE category. Themes for this particular journal is structural engineering. Structural engineering, three categories are given: structural engineering, mechanics of material, and material science. Structural engineering, you can submit a paper in the area of structures, machines, mechanical system. Then mechanics of material, the properties like elasticity, plasticity, fatigue, fracture mechanics. This kind of articles you can upload, you can submit. Then material science category, all the metal, hybrid metal, any nano metal, composite material, the polymer composites, then polymer material. So any material, any category. So this also a general journal. So any category you can submit your paper. Let us go to journal number 3 in our list is Journal of Mechanical Design. The impact factor is 2.6. This is ASME journal, American Society for Mechanical Engineers. This journal also scopus index 6.5 site score is given. Time to first edition is 3 weeks. This journal also SCIE expanded index. The themes they are very clearly given. They are asking all the areas of design with the emphasis on synthesis. So this is little bit the focus on design. So anyway, mechanical engineering in all part, thermal design, manufacturing design, right? So anything design for manufacturing. So many things it will goes into mechanical design category. So that this also common journal to all the specialization. Let us go to the fourth journal. The fourth journal is impact frontiers of mechanical engineering. This impact factor is 2.4. Springer publisher, they are running this journal. This is a scopus index journal with site score of 3.8. Time to first edition, this information is not available in this homepage, journal homepage, so that I am unable to do. But still 3 months, if I downloaded few papers, I checked. So time to first edition are so they are within 6 months. So article submission to acceptance, it is taking 6 months duration. Then this journal impact factor is there as usually. This is a SCIE indexed journal. Now the themes, this also it is a common to all the journals. It's machines, mechanisms, gear transmission, dynamics, mechanical structures, mechanical design and machining process, then mechatronics, then micro nano manufacturing system, robotics, then MEMS, green manufacturing. So all the areas, irrespective of specialization, all the area of mechanical engineering papers you can submit to this particular journal. If you go to fifth one is Chinese Journal of Mechanical Engineering. This impact factor for this journal is 1.8. So this is a open access category. This is a open access category, but there is no article processing charge. It is not a paid journal. This is a scopus indexed journal. This site score for this journal is 2.18. The time to first edition is maximum 121 days. They are given within 121 days, approximately 4 months. They are giving first edition. This is SCIE indexed category. The themes for this particular journal is mechanism and robotics, intelligent manufacturing technology, then advanced transportation equipment, ocean engineering equipment, smart material. So simply they are given. So anything from mechanical, general mechanical, you can submit to this journal. If you go to sixth ranked journal is Journal of Brazilian Society of Mechanical Science and Engineering. So impact factor for this journal is 1.7. This is a scopus indexed journal with a site score of 2.7. So time to this publisher is Springer. Time to first edition is 78 days. This is also SCIE journal. The themes for this journal is interface with other branches of mechanical engineering along with the physics, applied mathematics and more. The presents manufacturing on research and development, design related to science and technology in mechanical engineering. So this also the common topics, all are common topics, irrespective of your specialization. What happened? You can prepare your manuscript, you can submit it. Next, if you go to seventh one, proceedings of Institution of Mechanical Engineering. So Part E, Journal of Process Mechanical Engineering. Impact factor for this journal is 1.606. This journal publisher is Sage publisher. This is a scopus index journal. You have the site score of 2.5. For this journal, site time to first edition is 60 days. And this is also SCIE Journal. The themes is covering broad area of mechanical engineering activity associated with the design, operation of process equipments. So this also, so any mechanical engineering, right? You can thermal equipment design, or any manufacturing equipment design or manufacturing, or any design for manufacturing, right? Design for environment, anything you can publish. They are accepting. If you go to article number 8. So this is the Journal of Mechanical Engineering. So Strojewski Westnick, Journal of Mechanical Engineering. So this is open access journal. Impact factor for this journal is 1.3. So this is the University of Slovenia. So this is a European country. That university, they are running this journal. And site score for this particular journal is 3.1. So scopus index. Time to first edition is they are taking 5.3 weeks. This is a SCIE journal. Unfortunately, this journal, this is from paid journal APC. You have article crossing charges there. But this journal, the themes: material science, mechanics, kinematics, thermodynamics, energy, environment, mechatronics, robotics, fluid mechanics, tribology, cybernetics, industrial engineering, and structural analysis. All the area of mechanical engineering journal they are accepting. The only negative is the article crossing charge. This particular journal, what happened? There is a risk of withdrawing the list from UGC care. So please look at the research color. You take utmost care while doing this. But still, it is. I gone through the website. So they are. I checked that. So recently, I discussed about predatory. So predatory criteria I am checking. I cross verified everything. Except this paid category, article crossing charge, everything I feel more comfortable. So that is the reason why this journal it is in scopus as well as Web of Science indexing category. So let us go to the ninth journal. Journal name is Journal of Mechanical Science and Technology. So this is Springer publisher. Impact factor for this journal is 1.3. Site score is 2.5. This is scopus index journal. Time to first edition for this journal is 65 days. So this is SCIE index journal. If you look at the theme for this particular journal: dynamics, vibration, sound engineering, materials, technology, fluids engineering, solid mechanics, design, micro nano engineering, production engineering, robotics, thermal, power engineering, and bioengineering. So friends, you look at that. Any paper related to mechanical engineering, you can upload it. If you go to 10th journal. So this is APC. So look at that APC I given in this slide. You can see. Now we go to the 10th journal. The title of the 10th journal is Advances in Mechanical Engineering. This is an open access journal. Impact factor is 1.161. This is a scopus index journal. Site score for this journal is 2.5. Time to first edition for this journal is 65 days. This is SCIE indexed. So if you look at the theme, any mechanical engineering topics, so they are accepting. So that, the only negative point for this journal is article crossing charge. So it is available in this slide. You can check it. If you go to 11th journal, is the Iranian Journal of Science and Technology, Transaction of Mechanical Engineering. Impact factor for this journal is 1.029. Site score for this journal is 1.5. This is a scopus index journal. Time to first edition for this journal is 78 days. So this journal this comes under Springer publisher. Themes for this journal is solid mechanics, kinematics, dynamics, vibration control, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, and heat transfer. So all these are journal also. You can submit the paper any theme, but related to mechanical engineering. So this Iranian Journal of Science and Technology, Translation of Mechanical Engineering, it is a free journal. So there is no problem, you can submit your papers. If you go to 12th journal, it is Mechanical Sciences. This is an open access journal. Impact factor for this journal is 1.015. This is the Copernicus publication. So that publisher, they are the publisher for this particular journal. So this is a scopus indexed journal with the size score of 1.9. Time to first edition, they are taking 90 days. So this also SCIE indexed journal. Things for this journal, so almost all the topics in mechanical engineering they are accepting. Starts with the solid mechanics, structural mechanics, mechanics of materials, mechanism and robotics, dynamics and control, sound and vibration, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, thermal, machining and manufacturing process, micro and nano systems, biomechanics, geomechanics. So all the topics they are accepting, all the topics related to mechanical engineering they are accepting. But only negative in this journal is this journal you need to pay article crossing charge. So if you go to 13th journal, Transaction of Canadian Society for Mechanical Engineering. So this impact factor is 0.573. This is a Canadian science publisher. They are publishing this journal. Science score for this particular journal is 0.7. So this is a scopus index. Time to first edition for this journal is 90 days. So this is SCIE index journal. Themes for this particular journal is energy system, biomechanics, engineering analysis and design, environmental engineering, materials technology, advanced manufacturing, mechatronics, MEMS, nanotechnology, thermofluids engineering, transportation system. So they are accepting all the areas of mechanical engineering. But only negative point for this article is this article they are collecting article crossing charge. So except that remaining aspects are good. So if you go to 14th journal, Journal of Advanced Mechanical Design System and Manufacturing, impact factor for this journal is 0.517. So this is comes under Japan Society of Mechanical Engineers. So this particular journal, you kindly note down one interesting thing. This particular journal, it is not in scopus indexing list, so that we are unable to find out the site score for this. So both the scopus database and Excel sheet, this journal name is not available, but still it is a Web Science Index journal. You have SCIE indexing, everything is there, but scopus indexing is not there for this journal. So themes for this journal is engineering in general. So any topics in engineering they are accepting. Then nanoscience and material science, mechanical engineering, these are all the major areas. So mechanical engineer can send this paper to this journal. But only problem is APC. So when compared to scopus, the Web of Science indexing is considered as good. So that you have a Web of Science indexing is there, SCIE indexing is there, impact factor is there. So you need not bother about scopus score, you can submit. But only negative aspect for this journal is this particular journal having article crossing charge. If you go to the last journal in my list, 15th one is Journal of Chinese Society of Mechanical Engineering. Impact factor for this journal is 0.164. So this is published by Chinese Mechanical Engineering Society. So this journal is scopus index with the size score of 0.3. So time to first edition is not available. This particular journal it is not available. So normally, if I look at some published journal, article collection to edition, they are taking 3 to 4 months. Where this journal you have a SCIE index journal. So themes for this journal is all fields of mechanical engineering. So all are good, impact factor, everything is okay, but only the drawback for this journal is they are collecting article crossing charges. So friends, so far I discussed the rank I prepared as per the impact factor, but unfortunately I cannot avoid the paid journals. So this 15 list we got around 6 journals or paid journals. So these paid journals still it is in UGC CAR list. I don't know when it will be removed. I advise you need not go for that. You can select some free journals so that it is very it is safe for us. Free journals. So Springer there are a lot of journals with 1.1, 1.2. This range, that range it is very good. They are accepting. By using that you can submit your thesis. No one can question you. So here if you are preparing the if you want to to publish a paper, I mean submit your paper for more than one impact factor channel, you select some sample articles from Science Direct and Springer. Your sample should be more than 2 impact factor. So you take this sample. So as per the sample, you develop your work. You write the article. You can spend a few money for article. I mean language correction. Language corrections. There is some Canadian-based servicing center. For 5,000 words, they are charging 3,000 rupees. I think it is very low. So giving to them and just spending 3,000 rupees for your language check. So then it will be equivalent. So that what happened, you can easily, you can do the impact factor channel with more than one impact factor like that. So this is not a big task. So only thing is what sample you are selecting. So that is important. That speaks your ability, everything. So with this I conclude this video. Thanks for watching.